everyone, welcome to my channel, and this is my first online teaching video. I really hope you will like it. Due to lockdown, all the parents and kids are all getting bored. Parents are thinking what they have to teach children, and the children are bored what new things they can do every day. So today I have come up with a craft video which is very colorful, very enjoyable. At the same time, the materials what I am going to use for the craft are easily accessible. Today I am going to teach you how to make a photo frame. Okay, and the materials what we will require for the photo frame are very easily available with us at home itself. I am going to use the waste wedding cards what all of us have at home. So we have wedding cards like this at home. Okay, so I am going to use one of the card like this to make a photo frame. Okay, now this is a wedding card and I am going to use the plain part of the wedding card. So I will just cut this off. And keep this aside. I am going to use this plain part to make the photo frame, right? And we have lot of colorful cards like this in our invitations. So I am going to cut out flowers from this colorful papers. For that you will need pencil, and you can draw freehand flowers like this. So this kind of flowers you can draw. If you are not very good at drawing flowers, you can just draw one flower and use that as a stencil, and you can draw the other flowers. And if you don't want to cut so many flowers with the scissors, there are a lot of punching machines available. You can make use of them. So you have to decide what is convenient for you. For now, I am using this invitation to cut flowers. So we have to cut flowers like this. You can use the same color flowers, you can use different color flowers, you can use some theme pattern, whatever is convenient to use, you can use. We generally teach children, that we have to save our resources, we have to recycle, reuse. So that is what I am going to teach you practically. Instead of getting color papers from outside, whatever material we have at home, we can make use of it and can create a lot of beautiful things. So like this, we will have to cut flowers from various colorful sheets depending on the size of frame that you want to make. Okay, so I have already cut lot of different color flowers like this and kept it ready. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to use the glue and put it on the edge of the paper. Okay, and we will be sticking flowers like this. As I said, you have to decide what kind of pattern you want. You want to use the same colors, you want to use different colors, or you want to follow some pattern. Depending on what you like, you can use it. Now I am going to use different colors of flowers and different sizes of flowers as well. Okay, so like this, I am going to put the glue on all the four sides of the photo frame and stick flowers like this. If the kids are too small, the mothers can help them with the cutting work. And just in case if you find the flower cutting too difficult, you can use shapes like circles, you can use ovals, you can make triangles, you can make rectangles. To your convenience, you can cut the shapes and you can stick them, right? So I have stuck them in two sides. Now comes the third side. This way, we can teach identifying colors to the younger children. We can ask them to pick up a particular color flower. So the child will pick up the particular color flower and they will start sticking it. That way they will learn to identify colors. They will learn to identify shapes. And this photo frame can be used as a multi-purpose thing. You can use it as a photo frame, or you can use it as a birthday reminder where you can write the names of write the birth dates of your family members, anniversary dates of your family members, and you can stick it on the cupboard or on the wall, whatever is convenient to you. Kids can even use this to write the timetable of their school, and you can use it in various ways. You can write some positive thought, whatever you want to do, you can do it. Today I am going to make a photo frame, so I am going to stick it. So I am done with the flower sticking, and now to enhance the look of the flowers, I am going to stick small mirrors so that the frame will look beautiful. So like this, I'll put little glue on all the flowers, and then I'm going to stick small stickers. Just in case if you don't have mirrors, you can use any silver paper and you can cut out square or any other shape, or whatever things you have at home, you can use it. Not necessary. And it looks beautiful also without the mirrors. So you have to decide what is convenient to them and whatever is available to you easily. So like like this, I'm going to stick small mirrors on the glue. Okay, press gently so that it gets stuck properly. So like this, we'll put the mirror on each glue and we'll press gently so that it gets stuck. You can use glue gun also, just in case the kids are older ones. You can use glue gun, you can use Fevicol, you can use gum, whatever is convenient to you, you can use. And you can use greeting cards, you can use the cardboard boxes, whatever material is available to you, you can use accordingly. So like this, I've stuck a lot of mirrors, and finally the frame looks like this. Isn't it beautiful? Very nice. So here in the middle you can stick any photo or anything. Similarly, I have made one more frame like this, where I have stuck the ovals. Instead of the flowers, I have stuck the ovals, and I have written a positive mind, vibes and life, a nice thought which you can stick it on the wall of your hall or in the office or whichever place is convenient to you. You can use it for gifting purpose, and this is a very nice time pass and fun loving, and it's a lot of fun. You can have a good quality time with your child, teaching the child to do certain things. So this is what I have done for today's video. I hope you like it. So please subscribe my channel, like my channel, share with your friends, and please leave your valuable comments in case if you like my video and you want more such videos in future as well. Hoping to see you all soon, and I hope you all enjoyed watching my video. Thank you so much.